Innovations in technology are driving dramatic changes in every aspect of our lives. Electronic component specialist discoverIE is at the center of this revolution. discoverIE designs, manufactures and supplies bespoke electronic products to companies around the world, helping customers solve complex technical challenges by creating unique components tailored to each application and supplying those components to a consistently high standard over the lifetime of the product. The global market for custom industrial electronics is estimated at £20 billion per year, and that market is growing, driven by strong demand for continual improvements through technology. Listed on the London Stock Exchange, discoverIE operates across a range of fast-growing sectors: renewable energy, medical, transportation, and industrial connectivity. discoverIE's highly skilled engineers work closely with clients, developing a deep understanding of their industry, sharing unique expertise and insights, and producing custom electronic solutions to address each challenge, enhancing product performance and reinforcing long-term relationships. From airflow measurement sensors on wind turbines to embedded computers and displays in operating theatres, and power converters for high-speed trains, to custom-designed transformers powering satellites through space. In recent years, the group has added significant scale through targeted acquisitions, adding specialist skills and complementary services from leading brands and extending our international footprint to ensure consistent global supply. discoverIE's unique market proposition, providing technologically complex, customized electronics at scale, means it's forging a new market. And as international customers increasingly recognize our unique skill and our differentiated offer, we are leading the way.